am Survivor Woman. Who am I? I guess you'll have to find out.
Join me as I explore the South African rainforest. Are you ready?
I'm looking somewhere to build my shelter before nightfall. People get left out here sometimes. It's gonna rain tonight, and I'm using Tropic John wood.
I already built this wood hut for shelter, and I'm starving.
The rain has stopped, and now I must get food.
And look, bananas. That's really good grilled banana. Even though I haven't ate today, this is the best thing I've ate this week. Look, it's a green African salamander. And these are very rare. They're very uncommon. Look at this spider. He has 5 fingers. Makes leg, but you just have to be careful with this one salamander, because it will bite you if it goes too close. This is just for the show. Look. We're looking for the Makagaki plant, and it heals these sores. And here it is, Makagaki. It feels much better now. It's a big day for me, and I'll see you tomorrow. I gotta catch my dream, so I'll go see you tomorrow on YouTube.